चलिए बात कर लेते हैं बेंगलुरु की, जहां पर लोगों को गड्ढा मुक्त सड़कों का इंतजार लगातार जारी है। बारिश का हवाला देते हुए सिविक बॉडी बीबीएमपी ने सड़कों के मरम्मत कार्य को फिलहाल के लिए रोक दिया है। बीबीएमपी ने 10 से 15 सड़कों की पहचान की थी, जिन्हें पूरी तरह से फिर से बनाने की जरूरत है। बीबीएमपी ने सूचना जारी कर कहा कि बारिश को देखते हुए मरम्मत कार्य अब 10 नवंबर से शुरू किया जाएगा। वहीं सिविक बॉडी ने इन गड्ढों से भरी सड़कों पर चेतावनी के बोर्ड लगा दिए हैं और यात्रियों से ज्यादा सावधान रहने की अपील की है, क्योंकि सड़कों की मरम्मत में अभी समय लगने वाला है। आपको बता दें कि बीते 3 महीनों में बेंगलुरु की सड़कों पर गड्ढों के कारण 3 लोगों की जान गई है।
Ask any commuter in Bengaluru today about the condition of the roads and they would state that it's nothing short of pathetic, to say the least. And now what has the civic body decided to do? The civic body has identified about 15 roads which are in fact the negative roads, as the chief engineer of the road infrastructure says. And on these roads, they are going to be putting up boards which go on to indicate that there is road work that's going to take time, and commuters are asked to tread cautiously on these roads. Well, one of those roads that we're at right now is the Baneghatta road right here in Bengaluru city. This is close to the Derry Circle junction that we're bringing you visuals of right now. What is a negative road and how is the BBMP going to be dealing with this? Well, we'll tell you. So negative road, as per the civic body, is a road that has gone beyond repairs of just, mere patchwork. There's been a lot of wear and tear on this road. These are not just a few potholes that are constantly appearing on this road, but the entire road itself would require some sort of remodeling and rebuilding as per the civic body. Now, when are these works going to be taken up? The civic body currently says that it is owing to the monsoons that these works cannot be taken up right now, and they will have to start the work after November 10th. Now, another reason that we're highlighting this issue today is because of the recent number of deaths that have happened in Bengaluru city's roads, owing to bad roads, owing to potholes, owing to craters. And this issue comes back. Now, while of course filling up potholes has been a separate issue altogether, there are roads like this, like the Baneghatta road, like Mysore road, like Hennur road, which are so terribly maintained that the civic body is now having to consider remodeling or rebuilding this entire stretch. Now, civic body also in fact says that this remodeling has to be done because of wear and tear, not only because of vehicles traveling, but other work such as metro work that's being taken up, other works by the other agencies also. Bottom line being that these roads have been identified. The civic body says that they will all in fact be relaid, and the work is going to begin shortly.
Who's authorized to put the boards? Is it the BBMP who is going to put the corporation is going to put the boards, or the police people are going to put the boards, or the people here and the locals are trying to safeguard the lives of themselves, putting the board not to caution the people not to fall into the pit.
Right. How helpful do you think these boards are, sir?
I don't think so. People have the time to read, As it is, you're trying to maneuver the potholes, you will not be able to read anything unless and until you've got some X mark or something planted on the middle of the road. You will not be able to see anything to read. Yeah. But this is just to, hoodwink people to just read something. There's been some action going on around to protect our lives. But I don't think as such anything has been taken care about this. I am actually pretty upset about the entire governance of the entire Karnataka, especially. Everywhere you go, you have the same problem.
और मेरी सहयोगी नेहा हिबाले ने बीबीएमपी के चीफ इंजीनियर से गड्ढों की समस्या और उसे भरने में आ रही देरी के कारणों पर बात की। सुनिए उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Bangalore is witnessing a lot of infrastructural developments all over the city. Maybe it is BWSSB infrastructure works or BESCOM or KPTCL, and now lately it is GAIL Gas India, which is giving the gas connections to all the places of Bangalore. So while witnessing that, Bangalore city roads have come under great strain due to the infrastructure things. However, we are also coping with them and also giving the facilities. What we are doing is we have categorized the roads which is around 2,000 kilometers in Bangalore city, main arterial and subarterial roads, and also like ward roads. Bangalore city has around 13,000 kilometers road network. Of that, we are strictly concentrating on the 2,000 kilometers of arterial road, where 80% of the traffic is moving. Some roads have witnessed road cuttings because of laying big pipelines. And also some places where metro has taken up construction and dug up the road. These roads in the time being right now is not repairable by just filling potholes. They need rehabilitation. Since it is raining and monsoon, and we have thought this is not the right period to do the road restoration or road rehabilitation work, we have come up with a novel idea that we have to make people aware that these roads repairs will take some more time. Like so that we have put up some informatory boards. You know, informatory boards are not very new. They are all being provided at every junctions. Here we have made the motorists to be more cautious and while riding these roads.